So this week's kit is a water droplet art kit. And in this kit, you will have a couple of water droplet makers and some wax paper. What you will need to provide from home is a flat surface, preferably easily washed, but if you don't have that, something that you can cover in newspaper. You will need a cup or more cups, depending on how many different things you want to try this with, and water. You can also use juice, or you can use milk or something, but I like water because it's easy to clean up. It also is a lot of fun if you have water and food coloring. And remember, just one drop of food coloring goes a very long way. See, that was one drop. And now I'm mixing it up. And now my whole cup is blue water. Okay, so first things first, grab your water droplet maker, squeeze out some of the air and stick it in. It'll suck up some of the blue water, or some of the water. And then you can just drop drops, and you can make big drops, you can make really teeny tiny drops, and you can make art with it. And you can blow your drops around. You can have your drops join other drops. You can make your drops super huge and they're not going to break up. Or you can even suck up your drops again and make them smaller. See? It's almost all gone. So, if you want to do this with more than one color and see what happens when you mix multiple colors, go for it. But this is going to be waiting for you here at the library. Enjoy!